Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm very well. I'm happy today. Today we are going to learn about teks sastra. Do you know teks sastra?
I don't know.
You don't know teks sastra? I will explain to you what teks sastra. It is very interesting with us about teks sastra. You can take another lesson about teks sastra. So today the title about teks sastra is Where Stars Come From. Do you understand what the title means?
No.
No, you don't know.
I don't know.
But before that, I want to ask to you about materials maybe last week. So, do you remember about tenses? Simple present. Masih ingat? Simple present apa? Koyeng. Still you remember simple present?
I don't know, sir.
Aduh, why you don't know? Simple present ya, masih ingat simple present yang dulu itu yang minggu lalu kita sudah pelajari. So, you can open your book. Nah, bukunya dibuka. Simple present. Oke, simple present jadi verbnya at s or es. Ketika subjeknya third person singular. She, he, it. Kata kerjanya harus tambahkan s atau es. Contoh, for example, Deva atau Deva berarti dia laki-laki. Pakainya she apa he?
He.
She apa he? He. Berarti he dia untuk laki-laki. Dia pergi ke sekolah. Berarti kalau dalam bahasa Inggris menjadi he goes to school. Apa? He goes to school.
He goes to school.
He
goes to school.
Goes to school. Kemudian subjeknya diganti menjadi nama orang. Contohnya Reza. Reza belajar bahasa Inggris. Bahasa Inggrisnya berarti Reza belajar study. Ditambahkan s atau es?
Es.
Apa?
S.
Berarti menjadi
Studies.
Reza studies English. Okay, good job guys. So, right now I will share to you about the teks sastra. So, this one is teks sastra. So this one, can you see about the laptop? The title is Where Star Come From. Narrative text, fabel. Kemudian, I will share to you about the learning objective. Jadi, what we learn today, what we can get lesson today. Jadi, apa yang akan kita dapat untuk pelajaran hari ini? So for the first, understanding the concept, the content of the text, where star come from. And after we understood about the teks sastra, after that you will answer. Kamu akan menjawab pertanyaan. From 5W plus 1H. Do you know 5W 1H? In English?
Why?
5W 1H.
What?
Who?
Why? Where?
Why?
Where? When?
The last one?
Who? How?
How? Oke, 5W 1H. What? Where? When? Why? Who? And how? And the third one is after you understood about the teks sastra and then answer the question, you will make a group. Jadi nanti kalian akan buat kelompok kecil, diskusi, discuss about moral message of the story. Jadi apa yang bisa diambil dari teks tersebut untuk dijadikan pelajaran hidup. Okay, and the last one is write a personal reflection. Jadi after we have learned about teks sastra buat this lesson today, terus refleksi apa yang kalian dapat. Apakah kalian merasa senang belajar bahasa Inggris hari ini? Or the other things? Okay, understand that I mean? Itu adalah goal of our learning objective today. Okay, the first part. Listen carefully and look at the laptop. I have 15 vocabularies. But in these vocabularies there is no meaning in Indonesia. Okay, but I want to invite you to learn how to pronounce word by word. Number 1, gaze.
Gaze.
Repeat after me. Ulangi setelah
Okay.
saya. Gaze.
Gaze.
Jealous.
Jealous.
Sparkle.
Sparkle.
Tight.
Tight.
Destroy.
Destroy.
Protect.
Protect.
Decorate.
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 Throw.
Throw. Throw.
Break.
Break.
Spark.
Spark.
Idea.
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 Create.
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 Short.
Short.
Share.
Share.
Follow.
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 Okay. After this part, okay, I will share to you what is the meaning one by one. Apa arti dari 15 vocabulary ini? Okay. The first one is gaze. The meaning is menatap. Menatap. The example in the story, the ocean gazed upon the moon. Jadi artinya berarti apa? Ocean. Do you know ocean?
No.
You don't know. So there are 15 meanings from the vocabularies. So you can write down in your book. Silahkan ditulis. Okay, 3 minutes for now on. 3 menit mulai dari sekarang. Satu menit lagi. Ya. Finish? Okay. And after that, please take the paper about the story. Story-nya silakan dilihat. And then garis bawahi dari 15 kata ini kita coba try to skimming. Jadi membaca cepat untuk mencari 15 vocabulary ini. Nah, jadi kalau sudah ketemu garis bawahi dari 15 kosakata ini, temukan 15 kosakata ini, kemudian garis bawahi dalam cerita tersebut. Langsung bahasa cepat. 2 menit dari sekarang. How? Dewa? Understand?
Yes.
Reza? Understand?
Yes.
Finish? Okay, you got the 15 vocabularies in the story. So right now, let's try to understand about the story. So I want to invite you to read one by one about the story. Okay. I will the first sentence I want to read first. Once upon a time, the sun and moon were great friends. Do you understand about the first sentence? Once upon a time, artinya apa? Pada zaman dahulu kala, sun kalau di pagi hari, in the morning, di pagi hari muncul di apa? Di selatan, timur. Nah itu apa? Biasanya setiap hari apa? Matahari. In English?
Sun.
Okay, and moon. Kalau malam hari, kalau
Bulan.
apa?
Bulan.
Okay. Were great friends. Jadi sun dan moon itu adalah sahabat baik, teman baik. There was no night because they were always together. Tidak ada malam karena mereka selalu bersahabat baik. Kenapa kok bisa? Why? Kenapa kok tidak ada malam? Jika kalian pikir, if you think sun and moon, kalau disatukan bisa atau tidak?
Tidak.
Why? Kenapa kok tidak bisa disatukan? Kenapa? Ayo. I want to invite you to try critical thinking. Ada matahari, ada bulan. Kenapa kok tidak bisa disatukan? Kenapa kok in the story tidak ada malam? Why?
Takdir.
Oke, jawabannya sangat pasrah sekali. Oke, pasti ya, pasti. If you think sun, the light is very bright, brightness maybe, sangat terang. Jadi kalau bulan disandingkan dengan matahari, pasti kan sinarnya
Silau.
sinar
Menerangi bulan.
Nah, pasti kan dia kalah. So that's why tidak ada malam karena setiap hari itu adanya matahari. So the next one, children played the whole day without feeling sleepy. Children, anak-anak play the whole day setiap hari without feeling sleepy. Aduh, I'm feeling happy, I'm feeling sad. Feeling apa? Merasakan atau merasa. Without, tanpa. Without feeling sleepy. Sleep artinya tidur. Kalau sleepy artinya mengantuk. Without feeling sleepy berarti tanpa merasa mengantuk. Jadi setiap hari, everyday itu main terus. Kayak Deva, astagfirullah. You have to study hard. No one in the world knew anything about pets or sleeping. Tidak seorang pun di dunia tahu anything about bed. Bukan bed kamar mandi, tetapi bed tempat tidur. Or sleeping. Tidak ada tahu tempat tidur dan kamar tidur. Pada intinya cerita ini menceritakan tentang kondisi di dunia yang dimana itu persahabatannya itu ada moon, sun, children, and the last one itu ada satu karakter yang nanti kalian harus temukan. But before that, I want to one by one read maybe 2 sentences or 3 sentences from Deva. Silahkan diteruskan dibacanya. Selanjutnya ada one day. Silahkan dibaca.
as they flew together,
One day.
one day, as they flew together, they saw the ocean.
Next, lanjut.
She was the most beautiful thing that they have ever seen.
Oke, lanjut. Mr. Reza, please read.
The ocean enjoyed the sun's warmth and moon's decorated space. She loved the moon more than the sun. Whenever her eyes gazed upon the moon, she created waves and danced in excitement.
Next, Anang.
This made the sun very jealous. One afternoon, as the ocean slept, the sun did something triple.
He slowly lighted the moon and threw him against the wall of the sky.
Next.
Instead of making like glass, the moon created millions of sparkles to call golden cool out.
Okay, guys, remember that we have to understand maybe this story, but we have to know what is the how to read. Because in this class is English class, so when you can speak English fluently, it means the partner will understand that you speak. So that's why you have to remember how to speak fluently. Jadi gimana caranya kita harus bicara bahasa Inggris dengan teman yang bisa dipahami. So you have to study hard how to speak English. Okay, I will give you time. Yeah, 2 minutes. I think is enough. Because in this class you bring mobile phone, right? Kamu bawa HP kan? Okay. So for the phone, you can use to understand about this story. When you don't understand about the meaning, about the maybe word by word, you don't understand, so you can search in the dictionary by mobile phone, your mobile phone, so you can understand the story. So please read and understand about the story. Take your phone. Okay, done? Okay, let's do it. 2 minutes right now. In this class it's very hot, right? It's very hot, right? In this class? Class ini
So hot.
yeah, so hot.
Hot.
So we need to maybe how to say in English? AC?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
It's hard.
Yes.
So hard, so.
If you are maybe hungry, you can eat after class. Okay.
Yep, so.
When you are very thirsty, you can drink by water on the table. Jadi kamu bisa minum jika kamu merasa kehausan, okay? So enjoy your class. Finish?
Finish.
Okay. So right now, prepare your book. Open your book. Okay. Today we have to answer the questions. I have 6 questions to you all. You can write down what is the answer. For the first one is who are the main characters. siapa saja di dalam cerita ini main characters. Tadi sudah saya jelaskan, the first character is sun, there is moon, and children, and the last one, you can go.
Star.
If you know, you can write down in your book. Okay. I will give you time, 5 minutes. I think it's enough. Okay. And after that, I will choose one of you to read your answer. Who are the main characters? Siapa? Siapa? Who? Karakter utama in the story. And the second one, what did the moon do? Yang dilakukan moon, bulan, itu apa? If you understand about the story, you can answer these questions. And the third one, when did the star appears? When, kapan star appear. Dari sini sudah kelihatan untuk menjawab nomor 1. Jadi karakter utamanya itu ada sun, moon, children, dan
Star.
And number 4, where did the sun throw the moon? Throw artinya throw. Number 8,
Melempar.
di mana sun
Matahari.
melempar
Bulan.
bulan? Di mana? If you understand about the story, you can answer.
In the sky.
Okay, number 5. Why did the moon create star? Why did the moon create star? In the logic, logikanya. Kenapa bulan membuat bintang? For jika bulan itu tidak ada bintang, maka
Gelap.
Tidak ada temannya.
Tidak.
you can answer in your book, okay? And the last one, how did the story end? Jadi ending dari story ini itu apa? Endingnya.
Ininya
Let him go.
bulan set.
Bulan.
Okay, finish guys? Okay, I want to choose for the first questions. Reza, who are the main characters? Ada siapa saja karakternya?
Stars, sun, moon, and children.
Okay. Number 2. Depan. What did the moon do? What did the moon do? What? Apa yang dilakukan?
Bulan.
Apa yang dilakukan bulan? You don't know?
Menerangi malam hari.
Bulan menerangi
Malam.
malam hari. Koyeng, what did the moon do? Apa yang dilakukan bulan? What did the moon do? What is your answer? Is
Feel good fun.
okay. Yeah, you have to study hard to read more carefully. And number 3, when did the star appear? Singkat. When did the star appear? You don't understand. Anand, The answer is when you cannot answer this one, I will give you homework. Okay?
Yes.
Oh, yes. So remember that about the story, we can study about more active, and then we can get the what's that? New vocabularies to you all, so you can practice and remember about the vocabularies. Okay, after these questions, I will try to make a group to you all. So there is 2 and 3 people, and then discuss what did you get about the story. Jadi pesan moral atau apa yang bisa you dapat dari story ini. Apakah story ini, for the example as for the moral message of the story is importance of sharing and resolving conflict peacefully, instead of reaction with anger. The moon chooses to find a solution that brings happiness to everyone. For example, Samara. So I will give you time because you understand about the story. I will know about the story that you remember. So I will give you time 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Koyan and Singke, one group, and the next group is Anang, Reza, and Depa. Please discuss. Because this one is Kurikulum Merdeka, so we need to discuss together.
That's it.
You can use your phone to help you to answer to know about the story, and then you can write down. When you don't understand about the vocabulary, you can search in the dictionary in your phone. Okay, 2 minutes.
Yeah, fine.
Buat kalimat simpel saja, kalimat simpel dari cerita itu yang kalian rasa itu apa yang menjadi pesan moralnya atau apa yang bisa kalian dapat. Apakah tidak ada yang kalian dapat? Ya, that is a good thing. Itu adalah mungkin story ini menyentuh hati saya karena pertemanan dari Moon dan Sun. Itu juga bisa.
Ya itu zaman saya.
Atau the star always accompany the moon, selalu menemani bintang, selalu menemani bulan, sehingga bulan itu bisa mendapatkan cahaya. Up to you. Okay, 1 minute left. 1 menit lagi. Try to make the answer by English language. Gunakan dengan bahasa Inggris. Okay, finish. Okay. For the first, I want to choose the first group. Okay, what is the answer? Up to you. You can read.
Yes. And the stars always accompany the moon.
Widih. When you have a girlfriend, do you want to accompany your girlfriend? Kamu mau menemani pacarmu?
Yes.
Yeah. The second group, okay. Pesan moralnya apa? Apakah itu termasuk pesan moral?
Ya, karena ketika bintang menemani bulan, saya merasakan ketika saya menemani teman perempuan saya.
Okay. Bucin ya. Okay, the next one, the second group.
organized with their friendship Moon and Soon.
Widih. Okay, everyone, give applause to you all. Okay, for the last one, because we don't have any time again, so this one I will give you homework, so you can upload in the group WhatsApp class. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Tuliskan 2 atau 3 kalimat di buku catatan kamu. Tuliskan apa? Refleksi pribadi. Jadi in the lesson today, pelajaran hari ini tuh apa yang kamu rasakan? Apakah senang atau kurang bagaimana pelajarannya? Up to you. Atau apa yang kamu dapat dari cerita tersebut? Okay. After you write in the file and then share in the group WhatsApp. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for the lesson today. I do hope this lesson today is very hopeful and very useful to you all. So you can take the pesan moral and then you can what is that? Bisa menerapkannya dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Okay, if I have many mistakes in this class, so I do hope this lesson today will be useful in me and our life. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you.
I'm very happy.
Thank you for
I'm very happy. I'm